Hello friends, welcome to Magic of Smartphone. Today I'm going to show you a very nice trick, a magic, of course a magic. Okay, stickers, everybody is asking me how to make stickers, personalized stickers, not those forwarded ones, not those ready-made ones, personalized. Whether I want to use my own pic in the sticker and a message in the sticker. Okay, so let's go to app called Sticker Maker, which link I will be putting up in the description box. You can tap on that and go to the Play Store. Okay, now in this the pre-work done is you have to make a free crop of your photo first. Free crop of your photos, some of your photos of which you want to make a sticker of. I have made it in PicsArt already. Those stickers has been made in PicsArt already. It is in the app, in the PicsArt app. Okay, now I want to bring it to WhatsApp. How do I do that? I'm tapping on the sticker make. When you open, you get like this. Here you have to create a new sticker pack first. New sticker pack, put any name. I'm just putting Asha 123. Again here author also I'm just putting Asha there. You can put anything. You can put anything there. Okay, I'm putting on the tick mark. Create. This is a new folder that will be created for the stickers that I'm making. Okay. Now this Asha 123 has come here down. Okay, you will not get the others what is there up. This I've already created. Okay, your first name will come here. I'm tapping on that folder name that I've created just now. Here you will get a tray icon. First box is called as a tray icon. I'll explain to you what tray icon is. I'm tapping on it. I'm saying open gallery. Go to the gallery. Open gallery. Okay, this will show in the gallery. Now what I have done is I have put all my stickers in a folder called my sticker myself. Okay, so I'm tapping on that. All my stickers are here, which I've done in PicsArt. Okay, they are I have moved them to the folder here. You can choose any one here. Supposing I'm choosing this one. Okay, that images come here in the app. Now I want to select the same thing. You can just select a part of it by just moving your finger accordingly. Okay, now supposing I want to cut it out here. Okay, see here, it's come like this. No, I don't like it, so I can tap on try again button. The full pic has come. I want the full complete one. Okay, I press back, tray icon again, open gallery. I am going to sticker myself, selecting the same pic again here. Okay, once this is done, smart select. This is the select that has come. There is some bluish outline. I don't want that outline. I am tapping on outline and I am saying just white. Yeah, just 0 here. This 0 I have done. Okay, there is no outline now. Up you can see there is a add text button. I'm tapping on add text and I'm saying good morning. Okay, and I'm tapping on the tick mark up. This good morning, where you want it, place it there. Okay, I want it down somewhere at the base of my pic. Okay, you can just keep it there or you can just keep it on the head, wherever you want it. You can put a good morning in 2 lines also. It's up to you. Okay, now I'm just tapping on good morning. You will get something like this effects for the text. I'm tapping on the A here. See, again tap on it, you'll get different types here. Different types with white outline, no outline. This is black box, white outline only, no outline at all, black text. Okay, now supposing I want it like this with white outline, just tap outside on the tick mark and place it down. Okay, once you're sure kiya this is what you want, save sticker पे tap किया. Okay, see it has come at the tray icon up. Now I can type on first box number 1, again say open gallery, same repeat the process. Supposing I am saying sticker myself, okay, I am choosing, okay, this one, I am choosing this here, smart select. Okay, add text, say I want to say Om Shanti, anything that you want. Okay, now again on A I am tapping how you want it. No, I want it like this, or I want it like this. I like this one. Tap on tick mark, then move it where you want it. No, I'm just putting it up here. I like it here. Okay, again I'm double tapping on it. Say save sticker. See, here it is coming one number now. Here the yellow pic that I made is the tray icon. Okay, now what is the difference between both? See, one is in blue color dress and one is in yellow color one. Yellow color one is tray icon. So I'm saying here add to WhatsApp. This is an add. I'll say okay, has been added. This has been added. The message has come. Now I'm just going out, going to WhatsApp, going to any app. Okay, now here I'm tapping on the message box there. I'm going to the smiley. Down there is a sticker button. I'm tapping on the sticker button. Now here you can see these are the tray icons. The first one what I had put up with the yellow dress wala is come here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, if you tap on, this is my folder what I have created. When I tap here, only that one blue one I had made, only that is there. So I can just tap on it. See, it has gone to the WhatsApp message. Okay, see, it is so easy. Same way you can keep adding different stickers, like you can see here that I have created. There are so many stickers here I have created in this head. Tray icon, and there are different tray icons that I made. So in each tray icon you will get different see here different styles of stickers that I made. I can just tap on any and send. Okay, I hope you make all this and send me a screenshot if possible of all the stickers of the tray icon, and that send me a screenshot of this. Send me a screenshot of how many you have done and which you have done. I will come to know through this. Okay, whenever you add anytime a new one, always tap on the add to WhatsApp button. With this, the new one will also be added to the existing one there. Supposing you have made 5 already, now you have made a 6th one. So the 6th one will be added when you tap on the add to WhatsApp. It will give you a message, it is already existing. But it's okay, you have to still tap on it and then go to WhatsApp. Okay, the new one you will find it there then. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoy this. I am sure you are going to enjoy this very much. Do let me know how you liked it, and was it easy to make and simple to make. Let me know please what you have tried and send a screenshot. Thank you.